Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use Riverside FM on your phone. Yes, it works in 2025 and it's super smooth. Let's jump right in. First, open the Riverside FM app on your mobile device. This is your control hub. All your recordings will show up right here once you begin. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner. This opens up a menu where you can invite guests to your studio, share recordings, adjust audio settings, or even remove a studio if you no longer need it. This opens up a menu where you can invite guests to your studio, share recordings, adjust audio settings, or even remove a studio if you no longer need it. Now go to studio settings. Here you can name your studio, set the language, and pick your preferred recording mode depending on your needs. Once that's done, hit the record button at the top right or the bottom right. Before you start, you'll see the options to toggle feature like your mic, nearby devices, call management, your camera, and notifications. Make sure everything set the way you like it and you're good to go. Just hit the record and start creating. And that's it. That's how you use Riverside FM right from your phone 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips just like this. See you in the next one.